Lovers of aerobatics, you will love this video. We have selected for you the crazy stunts of aviation professionals. Subscribe and above all, activate the notification bell to be notified of the latest videos. Let's take a look at what this pilot will do. It takes a lot of experience to do this stunt safely. Thanks to his onboard camera, it takes a right to the heart of the action. It is so captivating to see him maneuvering like this. You have to be nerves of steel not to crack. To plane turns in all directions. I'm getting dizzy, amazing. This move leaves me speechless. It feels over the spectators from so close. Wow, what a synchronization! We have to admit that these pilots are pretty good. Thank you for following us. See you soon on your favorite channel, TrendyLand. Goodbye.